Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Untamed Pursuit. Today we're out fishing crappies on a 1,500 acre lake in central Minnesota. We're just using little tungsten jigs today, tipped with wax worms or rubbers. And we're catching a lot of different year classes of fish, having to fin through them to get the bigger ones, but it's still fun. It's extremely windy out today, 25-mile-an-hour winds, and sucks fishing outside. That's why we're in the house. So stay tuned because we should have some action to come. Just a smaller crappie. Decent crappie. There he is. Oh, that's a nice one. There's a bunch down. There's another nice crappie. There's a bunch more down. I gotta get back down pretty fast here. There he is. A little smaller fish, probably 8-inch crappie. There's one. Oh yeah. That's a nice fish. Probably 10.5, 11 inches. There he is. Small crappie, probably 8 inches. So what I'm using today is a orange tungsten jig tipped with a 2-inch trigger mustache worm. Seems to be the trick tonight. There, I got one. Smaller crappie. Got him. Feels pretty small. Oh yeah, it's a little guy.